And right now, at this moment, mga kasansi, isang bagong pageant na naman po ang ini-endorso ng mga United Bicolanos dito sa Bahrain. Ito ay ang Miss Magayon 2025. Let me introduce to you the 8 lovely candidates. Hi, girls! Kamusta? Ang gaganda. Diba? With your green shirt, with your sash. I'm happy to na makilala kayong lahat.
3 years old and it's good being back here in SNC Podcast. I hope that you watch us on the oncoming event this October 31st at Downtown Rotana.
Yes, mga kasansi, right behind me, nandito na ang organizers ng Miss Magayon 2025, heading by their presidents, si Sir Nonoy. Sir Nonoy, kamusta po?
Okay lang naman po.
Yes, mahirap ba mag-organize ng beauty pageant since na it's a very first time dito sa Bahrain?
So far talaga na-experience namin kasi ito ang pinakaunang event ng United Bicolanos in Bahrain, talagang mahirap pero kakayanin.
By the way, I'm Kathy. I'm the choreographer of their production number on the pageant evening.
Yes, mga kasansi, let's give a round of applause to the committee, the organizer, the United Bicolanos Bahrain. Yes, mga kasansi, let's go back to the ball game. So, dito malalaman natin kung gaano ka-intelligent ang mga candidates ng Miss Magayon 2025. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, hanggang 8? So, mga kasansi, we prepared some questions with the 8 lovely candidates. Candidate number 1, you poses a questions for candidate number 2. So, I prepared this kind of chikahan kasi at least kayo yung mga nagtanungan, no? So, si candidate number 1, meron siyang questions for candidate number 2. And candidate number 2 will answer that. And candidate number 2 will do the questions also with candidate number 3. So at least, kasi itong the whole journey ninyo, kayo talaga yung magkakasama. Diba? Kayo nagkakaalaman, kayo nagkakahiraman ng mga make-ups, kayo, meron ka bang pin dyan, pwedeng spray net, diba? O padagdag ng lipstick. So alam nyo talaga kung sino yung mga talagang with the confidently beautiful with the heart. Tama? Yes, okay. This is the questions for candidate number 2. So, the question was for candidate number 1. Okay. How can beauty pageants stay relevant in a world where exclusivity is imperative?
All right, thank you. Thank you, candidate number 1, for your easy question. Yeah, I think she means inclusivity. So for me, beauty pageants such as these, Miss Magayon Bahrain, can really become relevant in a world of inclusivity by us candidates challenging the norm. So normally kasi when we join pageants, it's always about the beauty standard. We should look a certain way, we should dress a certain way.
Wow.
But we can make it inclusive into becoming more fair. We can really call it not as competition, but instead a celebration. Kasi we have different types of beauties all over the world and all over the Philippines. And that is something that we really must consider when we talk about pageant inclusivity.
Wow, ang galing. Parang coronation night na. Parang this is it na. Napakagaling. Thank you, candidate number 1. And of course, we have a questions to candidate number 3. Okay, candidate number 3. This questions is from candidate number 2 with your contender as well. So, okay, this is the question. If you would have the power to invent something, what would it be and why?
Oh, okay. Thank you, Ate, for that question. Magiging inventions pa ako. So, actually, if I'm given a power to invent something, I would invent a time machine. in that case, I would have to travel to the future to tell our future leaders to take responsibilities of their actions. Because actions without, words without any actions, it's just plainly words. As of now, as what do you call it? In our country, usually the youth are the one who's having hard time. So to experiencing in everything. So I just want to tell them, if I do get the chance, I will travel to the future to let them know that the youth, are the one who's struggling. And they have to take the actions of every of their words. Thank you.
Wow! Mga kasansi, ang gagaling. Lahat sila napaka-prepared. At this moment, prepared talaga sila sa mga questions, no? So, hindi nag-usap yung mga yan, ha? Sinabihan ko lang sila na gumawa sila ng mga questions and kami ang magde-delegates sa mga candidates. So, okay. Thank you so much, candidate number 3. And of course, let's go to candidate number 4. Candidate number 4, one of the prettiest face there ng Miss Magayon 2025. Okay. So, this is the question. This is posed by question from candidate number 3. So, why did you decide to work abroad and why Bahrain is the country you choose to work with? Again, okay, why did you decide to work abroad and why Bahrain is the country you choose to work with and why?
So first of all, thank you sis for the question. Okay, so as a fresh graduate and my love for traveling, I wanted to challenge myself to get out of my comfort zone and work in an environment that is unusual for me or different from the one that I've been living in, which is in the Philippines. And why Bahrain? Because my mother has been here for more than a decade. And she started taking us one by one, starting from my brothers. And then my second brother, he went here as well. And lastly, me. So this is like a reunion for us here in Bahrain. So that's the reason why Bahrain is my choice of country.
Wow! Ang galing naman. So of course, to United Bicolanos in Bahrain, sinasabi ko sa inyo, mahihirapan kayong mag-judge. You have a great candidates for this year. So talagang mamimili talaga kayo, talagang kumbaga bardagulan ang mangyayari. Ang gagaling sumagot. Talagang sabi ko ngayon, ang gagaling sumagot. Para ka na talaga nasa coronations night. Yes, thank you so much, candidate number 4. And let's proceed to candidate number 5. Yes, hi, candidate number 5. This question is from candidate number 6.
Yes.
Okay? And I hope nabibigyan mo siya ng magandang justice. Okay? So this is the question. As a candidate for Miss Magayon Bahrain 2025, my question is, what is your competitive edge compared to the other candidates? It's a very tough question, mga kasansi, no? Again, what is your competitive edge compared to the other candidates?
Thank you for that wonderful question, Miss Candidate number 6. And my answer is my competitive edge of this kind of pageant is having a strong purpose of women empowerment, mental health, and self-awareness. To not only by myself but to other women also around the world, not only in Bahrain as well. And if I'm not here only to having the crown. If I am not having only running the crown, but to inspire also other women with my purpose for each and every one of women here in Bahrain, in Miss Magayon. Thank you.
Yes, so ang galing sumagot. You know mga kasansi, one of the edge talaga ng bawat Pilipina, ng mga kontesera, is about yung values, yung family values, yung family ties. Kasi we all know, Philippines is one of the most hospitable country. So talagang yan ang maipaglalaban ko sa buong mundo. Thank you so much, candidate number 5. And of course, for candidate number 7, this question is for candidate number 4. Correct. Yes, candidate number 4. This is your questions. What would your perfect day look like? What is your perfect day look like?
Okay, thank you for that wonderful question. My perfect day would look like when I wake up in the morning that I am beautiful. I am thankful with that. And I have a healthy mind and body to face the new challenges of life and ready to face new day, positivity, and gratitude. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much! Ang galing-galing ni candidate number 7. So talagang, yung sagot ni candidate number 7 is from her heart. Oo, kasi syempre, ako masasabi ko, what is the perfect in day sa looks ko? I think yung kilay ko tsaka yung blush on ko. Di ba? Kasi may kanya-kanya tayo, di ba? May mga day tayo na bad hair day, di ba? Hindi maganda yung pagkakaayos mo, hindi maganda yung pagkaka-blush on mo. But of course, sa kanya, not only for herself, but for her attitude and behavior. Thank you so much, candidate number 7. And of course, kay candidate number 8. Oh, di ba? This question is posed from candidate number 7. Okay. How will you promote Bicol culture as Miss Magayon Bahrain 2025?
Miss Magayon Bahrain serve as a platform to celebrate the tradition, culture, beauty, and talents of all Bicolana women. If I am to become the queen of Miss Magayon Bahrain organization, I would use my voice to inspire young women to pursue their dreams in life, to turn their talent to make a difference, because we all have something special, and by planting those seeds to other people in our life, we transform them and we can use them as a vehicle for change. Thank you.
Wow! Thank you so much, candidate number 8. Napakagaling. Ang gagaling sumagot. And of course, the last but not the least, but you know, it's not about being a number 1, no? Kasi sometimes, kung sino pa yung, ito na-discuss ko to during my interview with one of the beauty queens dito sa Bahrain, that number 1 is sometimes sila yung mga dark horse. Minsan kasi pag lumalabas yung mga kandidata, hindi masyadong napapansin number 1. So doon sila nagpo-focus sa nasa gitna, nasa huli. Pero I believe, ang candidate number 1 is laging nasa dark horse yan. So, again, hi!
Juan,
Kamusta?
sa dark house na.
Oh, kabado ba? Hindi pa naman. So,
Enjoy lang. Enjoy
okay lang. Yes, okay. This is your questions, and this is question is from candidate number 8. Okay. So, what is the purpose of beauty and why?
Okay, thank you, candidate number 8, for the beautiful question. Ayan. So, for me, beauty is it's a quality of a person that that we can see. It's not about appearance that you can see. It's not about the gowns, glamorous that you can see in this kind of platform. But this beauty that we can use for our strength, that we can act of kindness to everyone, and this platform they can help us that beauty with a purpose. So actually, I'm an advocate of financial literacy. So I'm working a housekeeper right now here in Bahrain for 6 years. But I can see that I believe that this platform, I can reach all my kababayans out there who will watch your podcast, that I can share my advocacy to build our future. That, OFW right now is hardworking. We all know that. But there's a problem like, the motto of OFW, like resibo lang ang naiipon. So that one of my advocacies Okay, so this platform, I can use it to reach out all my kabayans to share what I learned and how they help me to build my future. So this beauty with the purpose, actually, it's a beauty with the purpose. So I believe, no, it's not just a beauty, but with the purpose.
Yes. You know, all of you has a beauty with purpose. That's why you cannot be Miss Magayon 2025 by accident. Always remember that. You cannot be Miss Magayon 2025. Remember always that in any beauty pageant, platform. Correct? Yes. So talagang sabi nga nila, beauty with purpose, but beauty is useless, but character is the best. So, laging yung behavior nyo, yung attitude nyo, keep always your feet on the ground. So, be humble. Kasi, dyan kayo mamahalin talaga ng tao, di ba? Sabi nga nila, confidently beautiful with the heart. So, always remember, and that is came from our one and only Miss Universe, Pia Wurzbach. Kailan nga siya nanalo? 2015. Si candidate number 2, nagtanong pa sa kabila. Yes, of course. Let's give a round of applause to each of everyone. Ang gagaling ng mga kasansi, ang gagaling ng ating candidate ng Miss Magayon 2025. And of course, syempre, ito ang sasabi ko sa kanila na talagang good luck to your coronations night. Sleep well, and syempre, kailangan nyo talaga ng training na talagang sa pagdating sa mga intermissions ninyo, ang inyong productions. So, syempre, dyan talaga kasi kayo ma-judge. And hopefully, on your coronation night, I will be there. Hopefully, inshallah, Samuel Krista Podcast will do the coverage. Same like what we are always doing with the another beauty pageant. So let's give a round of applause to everyone of us. Diba? So, yes mga kasansi, once again, this is our 8 lovely candidates of Miss Magayon 2025. And I'm wishing them all the best on their coronations night. And of course, happy ako. And don't forget to subscribe our social media platform like our YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Yes mga kasansi, if you are looking for any STC line, like SIM Broadband, Voicing, 5G and Fiber, please contact 33040473 and all the legit agents from STC will deliver a request at your doorstep. Yes mga kasansi, on October 31, please don't miss to watch the Miss Magayon 2025 and you can buy a ticket under this number. Please see the below number so you can order it now. Once again, Miss Magayon 2025. And mga kasansi, we are not just only a Filipino, but we are global Filipino. This is Chris from Sam and Chris, the podcast! Don't forget to watch on October 31, the Miss Magayon 2025. Mga kasansi! Thank you, ladies! Thank you so much! Ang gaganda. Thank you!
See you on October 31 for the Grand Coronation Night of Miss Magayon Bahrain